currently waiting for this reel to load, but I must say I'm a little proud of myself for this one because reels are just not my forte. Short form video content, not really my strong point, and I avoided it for a long time. This one I'm pretty proud of. I'm definitely gonna link the reel below because it was for a partnership with IKEA for their app, which has like a virtual design software built in, free to use and so easy. It allows you to like take pictures in your space and erase what you currently have just to play around and see how other things would work. My brain is, but it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be all right. Say a prayer. Say a mother trucking prayer. All right, I am getting ready. Just took a little shower and wanted to thank today's partner, Aveeno. If you've been around, you already know I got Aveeno lotions literally in every corner, nook, cranny, purse, bag, you name it. And I'm really excited because they actually just launched their Calm and Restore line, which they are the goats of all things sensitive skin. Their new Calm and Restore line is actually made to protect our skin's moisture barrier and work with it because it has prebiotic oat in it. We love anything oat to help retain moisture. If you have sensitive skin, you already know the best part is that it's paraben free, fragrance free, dye free, it's alcohol free, and it's hypoallergenic. So I don't think it gets better than that when it comes to protecting your sensitive skin. I love that the cleanser is actually a foam cleanser. This one does a great job at removing dirt, oils, and makeup from your skin without leaving it feeling stripped. If you have dry sensitive skin, you know what I'm talking about. It also reduces the visible appearance of redness, but I can't really speak to that because I do have darker skin and I don't have redness, but this formula was tested on sensitive skin and showed to reduce redness, so we love that. They also came out with this nourishing PHA exfoliator, which is the star of the show for me. I've never seen an exfoliator like this before. It's actually silky and creamy, and it's not at all rough on your skin. There are no little beads that could do little micro tears. Very gentle, and it actually respects your skin's natural moisture barrier and just leaves skin feeling hydrated. Lastly, in this new line is their Skin Therapy Balm. This balm actually has ceramides in it. Our skin actually already has ceramides, which are just fatty acids that protect the skin from irritation and dryness. But as we age, we do lose some of them. And this balm has ceramides in it to actually work with our skin and help retain some of that moisture. Definitely check out the Calm and Restore line. And thanks again to Aveeno for partnering with me on this video. Y'all, I am straight up tripping because it's definitely like 80 or 90 degrees out right now. I'm really wanting to wear fall things. I don't know why I moved to a place where fall doesn't come for a very long time. I actually don't even remember if it gets that cold here because I've only lived here during COVID times and we weren't really outside that much. Oh, I was cold last fall when Jake and I went to a pumpkin patch. So it's gonna get chilly eventually. I am getting ready to go to my favorite home decor store. I found it last month and I think I shared about it on here. If not, I shared it on Instagram. It's a shop in a neighborhood called Silver Lake that a younger woman owns, and she sells really cute thrifted antique home decor finds, but she doesn't have astronomical prices like a lot of these interior design people in LA, which I really respect because that's so rare. These women, I mean, mad respect, you know, get your bag, sis, get your mother trucking bag, but like, how you gonna get a bag when ain't nobody can afford it? I just like that she puts in the legwork to find cute decor and then doesn't upcharge an insane amount. Now, look how desperate I am to dress like it's fall, but I literally have to take this off because it's too hot.
No.
I got a matching plant stand. I have the smaller version of this, and now I have its big brother. Howdy fam, it is a new day and I have been moving so slow trying to get this reel that I have to do filmed. I don't know what it is, but I just think because I already, you know, kind of got comfortable with YouTube and I'm still trying to figure that out, and then still trying to figure out other things with Instagram, trying to decide, do I want to do TikTok? Decided absolutely not. I want to use that for fun, not for work. And then reels just keep getting hammered and hammered and hammered, and they are kind of fun, but creating them just causes me, you know, a base level of anxiety because it's just not my forte. And when I have to create a reel for a brand in particular, I'm just like, if I don't care about other people's reels that are ads, why would anyone care about mine? But the epiphany of the day is you can do your job even if no one cares. But I'm gonna try and make it fun. If that's the case, then I am gonna try to make it fun because I only partner with brands that I'm excited about. It's just easier to convey that on things like YouTube, or I guess with photos. With reels though, it's like you just want it to be silly, fun, short form content. You know, that's what it is. On YouTube, the ad is just a portion of the video and we still get to have a great time together. On Instagram, the ad is the whole piece of content. That's what it is. That's what it is. It's like 1 o'clock and I told myself my reward will be going outside. If I get this done, I can go take a walk to the park. Look how cute, you guys. It doesn't shed and the colors are so fun. I don't know what's up with this little like demonic teddy bear, but she's cute. I like her. We like her. Love this scarf and would buy it over and over again.